everybody, happy Friday. So sorry, I just finished working out. So, let's get started with our day. So, I just said today is Friday. Friday is Friday. Friday, that's also one of our spelling words, right? Speaking of spelling words, what do you have today? A spelling test. Don't forget. Today is Friday, April, April, April 3rd, 2020. Did you guys know that after today you start spring break? Yay! And it's the start of Holy Week. Another yay! Remember, Holy Week is the week leading up to Jesus' death and resurrection. Now, Jesus' death is something to be temperate about and solemn about, or sad and respectful. But remember, on the third day he rose, and now because of his death, his sacrifice, we can join him in heaven. So don't forget, it's also a time to celebrate. Now, you guys told me that today is Friday, April 3rd. What's tomorrow? Saturday, April 4th. And what was yesterday? Thursday, April 2nd. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Don't forget to take your spelling test. And I also uploaded a spring break fun learning packet to Class Dojo that if you can print it out, you can do that during spring break. All right? I'll see you guys not next week, but the week after next. All right? Have a great spring break, guys. Be safe, stay active, and don't forget to pray.
Okay. Can you please tell me what coin this is? It's a quarter. And how much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. How about this coin? What is it called? It's a dime. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. And this coin? This coin is a nickel, and it's worth 5 cents. How much is this coin worth? This is a penny, and it's worth 1 cent. Can you tell me how much money is in this piggy bank? I'll give you a hint. It's half of $1. What is half of $1? 50 cents. 2 quarters is worth 50 cents. How much money is in this piggy bank? What coins do you see? What coin is this? A dime. And what coin is this? A nickel. So a dime is worth 10 cents plus a nickel, which is worth 5. What is 10 plus 5? It's too big for our fingers, so get the number 10 in your head and show me 5 on your fingers. Now count up from 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. There are 15 cents in this piggy bank. How much money is in this piggy bank? What are all of these coins? They're dimes, so they're worth how much? 10 cents, so we can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 5. So keep counting up from 50 5 times. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So 50 plus 5 is 55. How many blocks are here? How many do you see in the hundreds place? How many do you see in the tens place? How many do you see in the ones place? $147. 147. 147. Let's try another one. How many do you see in this hundreds place? And the tens? And the ones? Two, 1, 2. 212. 2 hundreds, 1 10, and 2 ones is 212. Whoa, this is a big number. Do you think you can figure this one out? How many are in the hundreds? And the tens? And the ones? Four hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. So that means there are 445. 445. 445. Can you tell me what time it says on this clock? Where is the little hand pointing? How about the big hand? The little hand is pointing at the 5. So that tells us there are 5 hours. And the big hand is pointing at the 2. So when we count by 5s, 5, 10, we find out that there are 10 minutes. So the time is 5, 10. What time does it say on this clock? Where is the little hand pointing? And the big hand? The little hand is pointing between 1 and 2. So what are the hours? 1. It is 1. How many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 1:35. Let's try one more. What time does this clock say? Where is the little hand pointing? And the big hand? The little hand is pointing at the 6. So that tells us there are 6 hours. And the big hand is pointing at the 12, which means o'clock. So the time is 6 o'clock. Very good.